Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
I'm Vaishnavi
I'm Harshita.
of class 9th and we are from Ramjas International School, RK-Puram.
Today we are going to explain buoyancy through an example and an experiment. So what is buoyancy?
Buoyancy. Fluids exert an upward force on the object partially or fully immersed into that fluid. That upward force is known as buoyant force and that principle is known as buoyancy. This is one of the example. So why do you think the helium balloon floats?
The helium gas that is present in the helium balloon is less denser than the air. The density of the helium balloon is 0.00016 gram per centimeter. So the buoyancy force applied on the balloon allows it to float in the air.
So let us talk about our experiment. Before that, we'll talk about the three types of buoyant force. Could you please tell about the three types of
The
buoyant
three
force?
types of buoyant force are positive, negative and neutral.
Positive buoyancy is when the weight of the buoyant force is greater than the weight of the object. So as in the results, the object floats. So second of all, it is the neutral buoyancy where the buoyant force and the weight of the object is equal to each other. So as in the result, the object is partially immersed. The third case is negative buoyancy where the buoyant force is less than the weight of the object. As in the results, the object sinks. So let us do the experiment now. So as you see, the glass sinks. This is an example of negative buoyancy. This glass sinks because the weight of the glass is much more greater than the buoyant force applied. This is the case of positive buoyancy where the buoyant force is greater than the weight of the object. So as you see, the ball rises up and floats in the water. This is the case of neutral buoyancy where the weight of the object is equal to the buoyant force applied. So as in here, the box is partially immersed in the water. Thank you, and I hope we understood the concept of buoyancy.